Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 9T and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So firstly, obviously, let's enter the camera app, make sure that you're on the photo mode and enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. As you can see, let's take a look on this second option bar, and it is obviously connected to the timer. And here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. Right now the timer is off and you can say it because this option is highlighted, but we can set also 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So all you have to do in order to set the delay, just tap on the option you'd like to use. So I'll pick 10 seconds. As you can see, it has been immediately applied and activated, so we can go back and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. So let me pick, for example, maybe 3 seconds delay. Tap on it and the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. Let's turn it off just by tapping on this clock icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Xiaomi Mi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.